In case you are working with an educational institute where you deal with students and their fees, you must be generating fee receipts. In today's video, we will see how we can generate bulk fee receipt with help of Excel and Word file. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching OfficeMonk. Let's start the video without any delays. This is a school fee receipt which I have already created in advance. I have created these receipts in bulk with help of Excel and Word file. Here are a few details like student roll number, student name, particulars, tuition fee, term fee, exam fee, date on which the receipt was generated, academic year. On the right hand side we can see fee collected along with amount. Below that we can see remarks 1 and remarks 2 and we can see signature over here. This is the second way in which I have created school fee receipt. Here the fees are getting collected in installments. So I have kept 3 installments over here. Rest everything is same as before. To create the receipt we will need a logo, an Excel file with all the details of the students and a signature. Let's start creating the receipt now. This is the Excel file in which I have taken details of all the students like class, student name, monthly fee, term fee, exam fee, activities, transport fee, book and stationery. Over here we can see the months. On the right hand side we can see amount paid, paid months, amount due and remarks 1 and remarks 2. In the second way we have taken class, student number, fees in 3 installments, amount paid, amount due, remarks 1 and remarks 2. Now we will open a new Word file. We will go in layout and then in margins. We will select narrow and then we will go in custom margins. Over here we can see left and right. We will do it 0.25 on left and 0.25 on right and we will do OK. We will click in the center and we'll type school fee receipt. We will change the font style and will increase the font size. We will underline it. We will change the color. Now we will insert our logo over here. Insert picture from file and we will select our logo. Insert. We will right click on the logo, wrap text in front of text and we will resize it and will reposition as per our requirement. Now we will double click over here and will type student roll number. We will change the font, student name, class / division. We will click on the right side and will type date. Below that we will type academic year. We will take this in right side. We will click over here and will go in insert. We will insert a table. We will resize it. We will go on top and will select a color. Over here we will type particulars, amount. We will take this in center. Now we will insert one more table, insert table. We will resize it and will reposition it. We will select table color from top, fee collection and over here we will type amount paid. We will resize it and will reposition. We will increase the size of this. Below that we will type remarks 1, remarks 2, signature. We will insert our signature over here, insert picture from file and we will select our signature. We will right click on the signature, wrap text in front of text and we will resize it and will reposition to our desired place. We will click down, we will go in insert, shapes and we will select a line. We will be in shape format and will go on the top over here and we will increase the width of the line. We will change the color. We will take it down. We will double click over here and will type address. We will double click under the address. Now we will type our detailed address. These things are done now, so we will type the particulars. We are going to type same details what we have in our Excel sheet. So we will check the Excel sheet, roll number, class, student name, monthly fee and we will type all the details what we have got over here. Tuition fee, term fee, exam fee, activity fees, transport fee, books and stationery. We will increase the cell size. Here we will type name of the months from April. We will insert few more rows. Insert rows below. We will select both and will click on insert once again rows below. We will select all blank rows and will insert few more rows. October, November, December, total fee received, amount due. We will delete 2 rows. Over here also we will insert few more rows. We will change the color of this. We will go in table design, and from here we will change the color. We will take this little bit up and will adjust this line. So our formatting part is done. Now we will connect this Word file with Excel. We will go in Mailing tab, and over here we can see option of Start Mail Merge. We have to click on the drop down, Labels, and we have to select the first one because this is portrait mode. We have to do OK, OK, and all the things got vanished. So we have to press Ctrl Z, means we have to undo this. Now we will go in Select Recipients, use an existing list, and we will select our Excel file where our data is saved. Open. Yes. Now we have to select the class or standard. So I'll select class 5 or class 5th. OK. Now we have to go in Insert Merge field. We will click on the drop down and we will select whatever we want to insert. So first is roll number. We will click on roll number, student name, class, date we will insert manually, academic year we will insert manually. Now we will come in our table and we'll click in front of tuition fee. We'll go in Insert Merge field and we'll select tuition fee or monthly fees. Term fee, we will select term fee from here, exam fee, activity fee, and in the same way we will select all the details over here. Transport fee, books and stationery. Now we will come in our second table. We will click in front of April. We'll go in Insert Merge field and we'll select name of the months. April, May, June, July, and we'll select till March. Now we will click in front of total fee received. We'll go in Insert Merge field. Amount paid, we'll click over here. Amount due, remarks, remarks 1, and over here remarks 2. We have added all the details over here now. We will go on top and we'll see preview. So this is the preview of our school fee receipt. We will go on top in finish and merge. We will click on drop down, edit individual documents. And our records are getting generated. Page 1 of 9, page 1 of 11, page 1 of 17, page 1 of 20. So the data was for 20 candidates or 20 students, and all the receipts got created or generated. Now we will save our receipts in PDF file. We will go on top, File, Save As, School Fee Receipt 1, and from drop down we will select PDF. Best for printing, we will export it. Now we will check our receipts, and this is the receipt which we created right now. We will change the preview, single page, and all the receipts are over here. Now we will create the receipt in second way. We will delete all the details. So we have got a blank format now. We will go in Start Mail Merge, Labels. We will select the first one and we'll do OK. OK. We will press Ctrl Z or Command Z, means we will undo this. We will come on top, select recipients, use an existing list, and we will select our Excel file. Yes. This time we are going to select class 12th. OK. We will go on top, Insert Merge field. We will click on drop down, roll number, student name. We will select name from here, and in the same way we will fill all the details. We will click over here in front of April and we will do April to July. We will delete this. Over here we will type August to November. We will delete this, and over here we will type December to March. We will delete all these details. We will delete extra rows. We will delete extra rows from here also. Now we will come in amount paid. We'll go in Insert Merge field and we'll select April to July over here, means first installment, second installment, and over here third installment. Total fee received or amount paid, amount due, remarks 1, remarks 2. Now we will preview results. We'll go in Finish and Merge and we'll click on Edit Individual Documents. So all the fee receipts got created over here. We can see student number 5 or roll number 5, roll number 4, roll number 3, roll number 2 and roll number 1. We will save the file in same way. File, Save as, School Fee Receipt 2 and we will select PDF from here. Export. We will check the PDF file now. This is the PDF file which we created right now. We will change the view, single page and all the details are over here. In case you are saving this file in Word, you will need to keep Excel as well as Word files together. Means in one folder. Because whenever we will open the Word file, it will ask for the extension and our extension is Excel file over here. So in this way, bulk receipts can be created very easily. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.